Hey guys, welcome to this lesson of Hysteria by Def Leppard. So first I'll play it at regular speed so you can kind of see how it looks, and then I'll do slow motion with tabs up in the corner, and after that I'll talk through all the tricky parts. So let's jump right into it. Here we go. And I am playing it on an acoustic, which they obviously played it on an electric guitar, but I know a lot of you guys prefer the acoustic. It's a fun, chill campfire song. Let's jump into it. And here it is at half speed. And you can use a pick if you want, or you could just use your hands. Okay, so that's basically the riff. That's about how it looks with the tabs on it. So now I'll show you the different shapes. So there's 3 different shapes that they use with this riff. So the first one is based on a D. So you move up to the 5th fret on the A string, start on that D, and then you have the 4th fret right here on the D string, and then an open G string. So it sounds like that, but you're actually only hitting these notes right here and there. And then that whole part is just kind of based on those 3 notes. And then you hold those in place and then add this G right here. So that's the 3rd fret on the E, open E string down here, 3rd fret. And so you do this little pattern. And then you kind of let go of it completely, hit that open E. And that's your shape. So you got the E, and then A string, 2nd fret, and then D string, 4th fret. So this is your shape. And then you're keeping that open G going the whole time. So, and then this is back to that shape you were just in, and then back to the original. So here's how the whole thing looks. Cool, so that's the Hysteria riff. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Also, I would love to get your song requests so I can do more of these for other songs. Alright, I'll see you next time.